The objective of this task is that he will be learning how to reach from the home position to the target position. There are a couple of important elements here. He cannot see the hand as he's performing, so the only feedback that he has about his behavior is the visual feedback that we present on the computer screen. In this way, because he cannot see his hand moving, but he knows he's moving the hand, he needs to explore the correct reaching movement to make the target become green. And this form of learning is what we call reinforcement learning, where he performs an action and then he gets feedback whether it is correct or incorrect. If it's correct, that movement is going to be reinforced, and he will repeat it probably. And if the movement is incorrect, he will get a negative feedback, which is red, and likely he will avoid that same motion in the future. There are multiple different forms of learning. So when we learn one motor behavior, we can engage different mechanisms of learning. And this work has shown that these different mechanisms of learning engage different areas of the brain and different neurophysiological aspects. Therefore, we can learn the same motor behavior by using different parts of the brain. Because we have shown that different parts of the brain can learn the same motor behavior, it is possible that when a patient has a lesion in one part of the brain, they can invoke the other part of the brain or the other learning mechanism to learn the motor behavior. This is a theory that needs to be tested, but is presented by the findings of this current research. It may provide some fundamental knowledge to develop new rehabilitation interventions. For instance, instead of trying to teach somebody to learn with a partially damaged area of the brain, maybe we can ask people to learn with different strategies by learning these new motor behaviors by using areas of the brain that have not been damaged. So this can lead us to develop new rehabilitation interventions and potentially then help patients with neurological conditions.